Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, so today I have with me an anti-chafing stick from the brand P-Safe. This retails for 399 rupees and this is 75 grams in quantity. P-Safe is quite a well-known brand and they make products which are related to women hygiene, and now they have also started making pads, but basically their focus is on hygienic products, which I really like because being hygienic is not a matter of choice. You have to be hygienic for yourself and for the people you meet and greet. You have to be hygienic. So being hygienic is very important, and P-Safe takes care of your hygiene. Yeah, so I love this brand a lot. Okay, so this is an anti-chafing stick, as I already told you. What happens is, as summers are already here, so we sweat a lot, and there are some parts of our body which I'll just tell you, there are some parts of our body which kind of where the skin rubs against each other. So that rubbing of skin causes redness, that causes soreness, also that causes stinging kind of a pain. And if you ignore this, or if you just you do a calm chill out thing by applying a talcum powder on these areas, this condition can worsen. And even doctors, excessive serious chafing, even doctors call that friction burn. So that is very serious, and that can cause you a lot of pain and discomfort. So why not we just nip it in the bud by using a product like this. So this is made with 100% natural coconut oil, and this is non-greasy, antiperspirant, eliminates odor, and this is anti-blisters, rashes and odor, as I already told you. This is pH balanced, that will not burn or irritate your skin. This has vitamin E and this is Ayurvedic. This is a unisex product, that means this can be used by both men and women. And the areas where you have to apply this are, it's depicted over here: under your arms, under your breasts, crotch, this under your elbows, behind your knees, and also on shoe bites, like the area of your feet where your shoe bites you can apply this over here. This is extremely soothing. Okay, so the ingredients this has are, this has coconut oil, this has pudina, this has kapoor, eucalyptus oil, aloe vera, and this has shuddhi. Let's see. This is how the product looks like. This is very easy to carry. You can carry this anywhere with you, and this is how the product is. Oh, the fragrance is very good. The fragrance is very soothing, and this somehow smells like, I don't know, lemony kind of a fragrance, and the fragrance is very soothing. Also, I forgot to mention, you can apply this on your inner thighs as well. That is the main thing. Like, inner thigh is the area where chafing happens the most, so inner thighs also is the area where you can apply this. So I would definitely suggest you to buy this. I'll put the link in the description box just in case you want to buy this. It will be easier for you to find. I think you should definitely go for this one because this is, I think, important. And it is very important to take care of your skin, and especially during this month, summer months, it's very important to take care of your skin. And if you have something which is so easily available and that can really help you in taking away your discomfort, why not try this? So yeah, so do give this a try. I loved it. I guarantee this is one of the best things. And also, while I applied it on my underarms, my skin was feeling very soft, and it didn't irritate my skin at all, and my skin was feeling very soft. And also there was this nice fragrance, lingering fragrance. Yeah, this is just meant for one person. You're not supposed to share this, obviously, because obviously if someone is applying this on their inner thighs and then you're applying this on your underarms, makes no sense. Shouldn't make any sense, right? So this is for personal use. Do not share this and use it for yourself. That was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.